Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to define a function in Mathematica. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, functions allow you to execute a certain part of code or a few lines of your code without having to constantly rewrite that code to run it for different input variables each time. So they basically allow you to make your code a lot nicer and more compact. So I'll be showing you how to define a function in Mathematica. Check out the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I'm already in Mathematica and let's just zoom in a bit. And yeah, so defining a function in Mathematica is quite simple. It's actually very mathematical in a sense. So let's define our function f, and you're going to type a pair of square brackets, and inside the square brackets will be whatever variable you want your function to have, whatever input. So I'm just going to have x, and then let's sort of say x squared plus x to the power 4. That's going to be our function. So now if you essentially give x a number, so let's say 1, and let's run that. As you can see, I get back the value of f of 1, which is 2, which makes sense obviously considering this. And yeah, that's basically it. If you wanted to know how to define a function in Mathematica, this is the easiest way. I know how, and if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.